So today I'm showing you a simple and easy way of finishing a macrame bracelet, which is to use an overhand knot. Have a loop here big enough for you to slide all the cord ends through. You want a little bit of space so that you can get your hand through it. And then what you're going to do is fold it over and pull it through, and then I'm going to tie it and apply a little E6000 fabric fuse. And then put on a couple of charms, some beads, and just slide them on there. I'm going to take again and do a little overhand knot. I'll glue all of them together. And then take a pair of scissors and snip off the edges. And there you have it.